Welcome back to another video. Today, we will try to understand more about how information is stored while performing activation or deactivation. In the activation deactivation process, the plugin keeps information in the options table. So if you go to the database and check the options table, in this table, you will find a key named active underscore plugins. And if you search for it in the options table, then you can see that the active underscore plugins, let me just zoom in a bit for you. And as you can see right here, that the active underscore plugins contains the data in a serialized format. You can see all the plugins that have been activated. This option only saves the plugin's name and the list of the plugins that are activated and not the deactivated ones. Currently, it's the hello.php because only the Hello Dolly plugin has been activated. Now, if I activate the movie library plugin and refresh here, you can see that the movie library has also been added. Here, for both the plugins, we have a plugin folder, and in that folder, we have the main plugin file. For example, we have the Hello Dolly folder name. Inside that, we have the hello.php plugin file. And in the active underscore plugins option as well, you can see hello dolly slash hello.php saved. That is the folder name slash the main plugin file. If I move the hello.php file outside this folder, that is in the WP content plugins root directory, then this hello.php will be saved as a single file. So if I refresh it, activate it from here, and as you can see right here, that the hello.php is saved as a single file. This way, it will load the hello.php and movie library in this sequence. It will load the plugins in the activation sequence, which is the sequence in which the plugins have been activated. Sometimes developers or users face issues where activating a plugin causes a fatal error, leading to a blank screen or other problems. In such cases, one common solution is to delete the plugin directly from the plugins folder. Once the plugin files are removed, WordPress cannot locate them, even if the plugin is marked as active in the database. This prevents the plugin from loading, restoring the site's functionality. Alternatively, you can navigate to the WordPress dashboard and deactivate any plugin from the plugin list. However, this may be challenging if the plugin's data is stored in a serialized format in the database. In such cases, you would need to carefully delete or update the serialized data to ensure the plugin behaves as expected when reinstalled. As a developer, it's crucial to understand how WordPress manages the list of active plugins and loads them on the site. This knowledge not only helps in troubleshooting issues, but also in developing plugins that integrate seamlessly with WordPress. We always recommend exploring the WordPress core files. We explored the core files in an earlier video while learning about the register activation hook and the register deactivation hook. You will also get to know some other information as well, like when this function was introduced, when it was modified, and everything. Over the course of the previous videos, we have learned what is a plugin, why do we make plugin, plugins basics needed to create a plugin, uninstall methods, and activation or deactivation. Now, try creating a simple plugin yourself in your local environment setup and see how you can create a plugin. I'm sure you will have some awesome ideas to convert plugins. Enjoy. See you in the next video. Jai WordPress.